Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use Find My Device in laptop and computer. So for this what you need to do is click on the three start button option from here. Then you have to go for searching to Chrome, Chrome, Chrome. Then you have to simply click on it. Then you have to search for the iCloud and iCloud.com. After that you have to click on it, and when you are in the iCloud you have to press in the sign in button from here in the middle of the page. Now you will just need to go and sign in with the Apple account. Now once you are logged into your iCloud, we are just going to scroll at the way down and this page and click on the Find My iPhone application. Now this is essentially the same application that can be found on your phone, so we can share devices, so we can basically use this for finding our missing devices. Now you may ask to sign in back to your Apple account. Just continue with the password and passkey, and then once you are signed in, once you're signed in, you are going to see all of your devices in the left hand navigation. So what you can do is go and click on the device that you want to find, and then it should go and display this device in the map listing here, and we can go and locate this device. You can also put the device into lost iPhone mode, and you can also play a sound to try and help identity where your missing devices is. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and